Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I want to do a haul for you guys. It's pretty exciting for me because it's the first time ordering from the Chanel website. I ordered makeup. So yeah, so like I said, this is the first time for me to order makeup through the Chanel website. I usually purchase my lip glosses from Chanel, which I absolutely love their lip glosses. I usually go to like the department stores, Nordstrom's, Bloomingdale's, or Macy's. But this time I decided to order some things online because at the department store they don't really seem to sell these items, or at least one item I don't really see it in department stores, so I had to order it online. But yeah, I did an unboxing, and but I just want to mention it because I was really impressed with the packaging. I think it was a very special and luxurious, and it made me want to even purchase more and order more things from the Chanel website because it just, you know, you get like a special treatment. But yeah, it came in with the box, right? And inside of the box there was this Chanel box, which is beautiful and elegant, and I opened it and it came, this is how it came packaged, you guys. Like, I'm really impressed. It's like Chanel is really giving Sephora a run for their money, because Sephora does not put in that much effort in their packaging. Like, they just throw in the items in a plain brown box and just ship it, as opposed to Chanel, like, you're getting the whole treatment. Like, yeah. And so I already opened it. It came inside like this, and each item came in, and it came with the receipt, which is like so. It's like this black receipt, and here's like the receipt and like return labels. And these are the two items that I ordered. I ordered a setting powder, like it's called the Le Beige Healthy Glow Sheer Powder, and this one is in the color number 50. There are 7 colors to choose from, and I went with number 50. And so yeah, and what's interesting about this compact is, like, look at how it's white. Usually it's like black and it has the white Chanel, but this time it's like so. And I like that it comes with this little Chanel pouch, and they also sent me, they put the boxes inside each pouch like this, which also says Chanel right here. So this, like, I could see myself reusing this for something. Like, this is really cute. But yeah, it has this little brush, and this is more of a haul. It's not really an unboxing because I've already tried this product, and it is really good. This is how the color looks, and it has a Chanel type of fragrance to it. It's kind of like a floral fragrance to it, which I absolutely love. I mean, I have Chanel number 5, which is a very floral, like soft floral fragrance, and this kind of reminds me of Chanel number 5. But yeah, this is the powder, and it has this little plastic top that you put in top, and then you put the brush right here so that it won't be rubbing up against the powder and destroying it. So that's pretty good. And I got that. And then the other thing that I ordered is this compact mirror. I've been wanting this for the longest time and been searching for it in the department stores, and they don't seem to have it. So when I saw it on the Chanel website, I decided to go ahead and order this, and I ended up ordering this as well. But now I'm interested in trying out their foundation. But yeah, and this is just a double-sided mirror. Like, it has a regular mirror and then a magnified mirror, and that's basically what it is. It's just a compact mirror. And it also comes with this little pouch, and yeah, I ordered those 2 items from the Chanel website, and overall, like, first impression, I am very impressed with their packaging. It's very luxurious and very special. Like I said, it's way different than Sephora, because when you think about it, some of the makeup that you order from Sephora are the same price as Chanel, maybe even more expensive, but you don't get that same like packaging and treatment the way, you know, Chanel sells, you know, scents their items. Like, I think Sephora needs to step up their game with their packaging, because yeah, we have Chanel that they're really doing extra when it comes to packaging and making the customer feel special, like they are receiving something special, which is, I think it's very important, because it, you know, you feel special, and it also makes you want to go back and purchase more items. And that's basically what happened with me. Like, after this, it's like, I really like that treatment, like that special treatment. And in the future, I do see myself, you know, ordering more stuff. Definitely my lip glosses, because I absolutely love the Chanel lip glosses. But yeah, let me stop talking. But yeah, that was my haul for you guys, and see you on my next video, where I plan to review these products to see if they're any good or worth the money or not. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.